Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge your CMF Watch Pro. So first of all, in your box, you can actually find this cable. So as you can see right here, you can find this gold pins that we have to actually input just right here into this gold pins on the bottom of the watch. So take a look. If it doesn't sticks, you have to just reverse your cable and put it like this. Now, this second end of the cable, you can plug, for example, to your phone charging brick, to your laptop, or for example, the game console. And after this, you will find this information on the screen that your device is charging. But you have to remember to put this watch on the screen, because when you put it like this, as you can see, this cable is actually not working properly. I mean, I was using a lot of different watches and this one actually doesn't stick that good. So it's actually recommended to put it like this and don't bend this cable, especially in this arena. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.